Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to have a coding exercise with line plots. So you see that there is a function y equals 2 multiplied by x, and we would like to draw this. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis here. In order to plot this line plot, first of all, we need to import the relevant library. So Matplotlib library is imported. Then we need to have the points. When we are having the points here, we are having x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Y equals 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So my function was y equals 2 multiplied by x. And we see that we reflected this in our data points. So whenever we are having an x, whenever we are having an x, we see that the y is double that value. For example, here x is 1, the y is 2. X is 2, the y is 4. X is 3, the y is 6. X is 4, the y is 8. And x is 5, the y is 10. So now we have the required data. Now we can plot our line figure or line plot, let's say. We are having the x and y. We are having the marker O. You see at each data point, we are having the O here. And we are having the line style to be solid. So it is solid. We could have different line styles, but here we prefer to have it solid. We are having the color to be blue. And we are labeling also our figure, which is y equals 2x. So after that, we are labeling the x-axis. X-axis is shown here. We are having the y-axis, so y-axis is also here. And we are also having the title of the figure, which is line graph example. We are also showing the legend, which is this part, because we labeled our plot, the first line plot. We labeled it here, and when we are including the legend function, we are going to have the legend here. And finally, in order to show and display the plot, we are using the show function. So after that, we see that our plot is simply plotted when we run the code. So this is how we can have y equals 2x here in Matplotlib library. Thank you for watching.